Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 1, step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. One means 10,000. A great number. Chinese surname 1. For example, 万物, all living things. All living things. Everything moves at its own pace. 世间万物皆有自己的步伐。Everything moves at its own pace. 世间万物皆有自己的步伐。Everything moves at its own pace. 世间万物皆有自己的步伐。One in cursive. One, 10,000, a great number. Chinese surname 1. 万物 all living things. Everything moves at its own pace. 世间万物皆有自己的步伐。1. Please comment any words or sentence with the character 1. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.